Here's all about the cost of replacing the iPhone battery on Apple's official website and how you're gonna check the warranty and get a free repair or replacement in your region. Please visit the URL provided in the video description and ensure the region is set correctly. If you want to change it, just click on the country name and pick your region from the list. Then schedule a visit at an Apple Authorized Service Provider or Apple Store, or you can just send it in for repair. Click on Get Service. Alternatively, if you just want to check the estimated cost, scroll down a little bit, select your iPhone model from the list, and choose your specific model from the second drop-down. Now you're gonna see the estimated cost and AppleCare plan benefits along with this fee. If you've already purchased an AppleCare plan, you don't gotta spend a penny. It's totally free as per Apple's terms and conditions. Your product's eligible for a battery replacement at no extra cost if you've got AppleCare and your iPhone's battery holds less than 80% of its original capacity. Alternatively, if your iPhone has any other hardware issues and it's still under warranty, you can get free repair or replacement too. To check it online, go to getcheckcoverage.apple.com. Enter your iPhone serial number and the valid CAPTCHA code on the screen, then hit Submit. Your device is covered for hardware service and eligible for chat or phone support, as you're gonna see on Apple's website. That's all about how to get a solution for iPhone battery replacement. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.